Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is Sahar and in today's video, I'm going to do this cool tone smoky eye makeup look. So without any further ado, let's quickly start this video. For this look, I'm starting with a primer to make my makeup look long lasting. And I'm concentrating on areas where my makeup starts getting cakey. And for the base, I'm using this illuminating moisturizer and foundation both. Not only it will make my base look dewy, but also it will give me a medium coverage. Then to hide my acne scars, I'm using this skin color concealer, and then I'll be blending it with the help of Beauty Blender. For highlighting my face, I'm using this highlighting concealer in the lighter shade and highlighting my face by applying it on my inner corners of eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead area and chin area. And to set everything in place and to prevent my makeup from becoming cakey, I'm baking around my eye area and my mouth area as well. For my eyes, I'm using the darker brown shade from this palette and I will apply it on my crease area to give depth to my eyes. Then I'll use the lighter brown shade for giving some shadowy effect to my eyes. And lastly, I will apply this champagne shade on my lid area. I'll be using my fingertips to spread the color. Then I'm blending it in a way so that I will give a diffuse look to my eyes. Now I'm removing the excess powder from my eye area and around my mouth area. I will apply this brown color on my lower waterline area as well, as it will give put together look to my eyes. Now for setting my brows, I'm using brow pomade and I'm setting it with the help of this angular brush. For completing my eye look, I'm using this mascara which I will apply on both upper and lower lashes. Now to contour my face, I'm using this bronzer. It will help in giving some warmth to my face and it will also give some sort of a structure. For highlighting, I'm using this highlighter. Not only it will provide me a subtle glow, but it will also highlight high points of my face. For blush, I'm using this Maybelline's New York Rosy Nude Blush shade. It is a really nice affordable drugstore blusher which can be worn on daily basis as well. And to set my base and everything in place, I'm using this setting spray. And finally for lips, I'm using this Maybelline's Ink Matte Lipstick.
it is a really very bold shade. I am a very big fan of this range and the colors of this range.
I hope you like this video, and if you found my videos helpful and informative enough, please do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, as it would mean the absolute world to me. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.